I have a question for you.
No, I actually have a question for you. Are you under the influence right now of medication, drugs, or alcohol?
Me?
Yeah, because I'm very concerned right now.
You guys are going to love this. You've seen me accuse cops of possibly being under the influence, but this dude accuses a judge of possibly being under the influence during his hearing. The judge is John Briggs, appointed to the bench in Weld County, Colorado in 2010 and sworn in 2011.
Court will call Charles Taylor, 22M2517. I have Mr. Taylor on the line. Hello, Mr. Taylor.
Good morning, Your Honor.
And let me just take, good morning. Let me take a look here. Last, we were in the arraignment center. At that date and time, we set the matter over. You were going, isn't marked, so I don't have good information on whether you're going to be or a public defender. Had you thought about it?
No, I'm going to represent myself, sir. Not only that, but March would be outside of your jurisdiction to prosecute me because you have 6 months to the date of that citation. So I will represent myself since you guys have a clear misinterpretation of the law and what my rights are.
So you don't want to get an attorney?
No, sir. I think I just made that clear.
Have you talked to the DA to see what they want to do with the case?
No, I mean, that's the problem with Colorado law right now. And the only county in the state that's spoken out about it is you guys, but you have a divided prosecution where 50-year-olds have a common sense of the law, and then you have 25-year-olds that are letting your last 3 people out on PR bonds. So you guys are really just as twisted as Boulder County right now.
I have a question for you.
No, I actually have a question for you. Are you under the influence right now of medication, drugs, or alcohol?
Me?
Yeah, because I'm very concerned right now. Your mouth has been all over the place. Your nostrils have been all over the place. Your body language has been all over the place. You can't sit still. You're confused at every single case that's been brought to you. You obviously don't understand the law. You don't understand jurisdictional zones. You guys pretend that you guys are against this liberal bullshit that Colorado has been doing for the last 3 years. But here you are right now playing Boulder County fucking games. So I'm going to ask you again. Are you under the influence of drugs, alcohol, or medication? If you have a medical condition, I sincerely, for real, apologize, but something is clearly going on with you.
Miss Love.
Judge, this was the same behavior that was happening in Division A. I'm moving to dismiss the case.
Miss Love is going to speak now, Mr. Taylor. Miss Love is going to speak now, Mr. Taylor.
I'm not condoning this behavior by any means, but I'm moving to dismiss the case. I'll submit a written motion. I think we can terminate the call.
No, it's because you know my rights are, and you know I'm going to make you look stupid because I have a better education than you.
Mr. Coates, Mr. Taylor, rather. Mr. Taylor.
See, you don't even know my name.
You're not allowed to record. And if you're recording, you're in contempt of court, and you may not do that. So we are
You're recording
of a WebEx appearance, but you may not record this proceeding.
You're recording.
I was asking Ms. Love if she had any concerns about whether I was under the influence of drugs or alcohol.
So my concerns aren't her concerns. My concerns isn't her concerns. My concerns are my concerns.
Judge, I don't have any concerns about that at all. Like I said, when Mr. Taylor was in Division A previously on this case, it was the same sort of ranting that he engaged in.
Because you guys give me a citation 30 miles outside of the county which you guys are in.
Court. I have no concerns about that. Presently, I'm actually in person viewing Judge Briggs, so I don't have any concerns about that at all.
Again,
I'm not condoning
my
the behavior
concerns
that happened.
aren't your concerns.
I do think just given judicial efficiency, the people are going to move to dismiss this case, and I'm submitting a written motion.
All right, Mr. Taylor?
Yes, sir.
The case is being dismissed, and you're excused from further involvement.
Thank you very much, and I apologize again if it is a medical condition. And if it's not, you need to go see a doctor.